I think it was the innings of Ajinkya Rahane. The discipline, this on such a big stage in a massive arena, come as captain of the team, bat at number 4. When he went out to bat, we were 2 down 60, and then to bat 6 hours on probably the toughest day to bat because it was overcast all day. The sun never came out, and he batted for 6 hours. Unbelievable concentration. I thought that was the turning point. His innings was the turning point. See, both are good readers of the game. Virat is very passionate. Ajinkya, on the other hand, is very calm and composed. And it's their characters. So Virat is more in your face, whilst Ajinkya is quite prepared to sit back in a very calm and composed manner. But deep inside, he knows what he wants. I thought he looked, very, very mature for someone playing his first Test match. He looked very calm and composed, and wasn't afraid to play shots, which was great to see. Even in the second innings, it was very easy to get into a shell, but he went out there and played his natural game, which was great from the team point of view.
Yes, Amlan from Reuters.
I thought he was very, very good in this innings. Yeah, anyone can make a mistake. It's any batsman can make a mistake. I thought the discipline he showed in the runs he made, his ability to counter attack, and play some shots and move the game forward, I think is a huge plus for the team. And he showed it in this game. He might have got 29, but there was a lot more than 29 there. Outstanding. I think that the discipline, the aggression, the calmness, it was evident for everyone to see. Execution of plans, what was set out for them to go out there and execute it to perfection was remarkable to see. He's a genuine all-rounder. That's why he bats where he is. He can bat at 6, he can bat at 5 if need be. On a given occasion, but he's a genuine all-rounder, and that's why he lends a lot of balance to the side. Also, when you play overseas, there's always a chance of one of the bowlers getting injured. Like you saw with Umesh. So with Jadeja there, it gives better balance. And it also gives the fast bowlers some respite with Jadu and Ash, doing the bowling. We will stick to 5 bowlers. About Rohit, he joins the team tomorrow, so we'll have a chat with him to see where he is placed, physically, because he's been in quarantine for the last couple of weeks. We also got to see, how he feels before we take the call. It depends on the surface you play. So if there is moisture content, like there was on day 1, that was the reason why, we got Ashwin on as early as he did, and he got turn and he got bounce. So it drop in pitches sometimes, when it's watered, there is a bit of moisture. And when there's moisture, there's no harm in giving a spinner a go early and to see if there's anything there. I think a lot has to do with the IPL. The fact that they share the dressing room, with international players, they rub shoulders with the best. It's that complex factor disappears very quickly, and you see what you see now.